You look at this tool and you probably think it belongs in the trash. It's completely fused together. The standard assumption is that saving metal in this condition requires hours on a bench grinder, throwing sparks or using extreme physical force just to crack the joints open. Faced with that, most people just throw it out. The time and sweat required to salvage it outweigh what it costs to simply buy a new one. Severe rust turns perfectly good steel into a total loss of both money and utility. If you don't want to grind the metal down, the hardware store offers an alternative: commercial chemical rust removers. But these chemical products are highly toxic, may emit aggressive fumes that require careful ventilation, and the acids are strong enough to cause severe chemical burns on contact. Worse, these industrial acids are blunt instruments. They attack the oxidation, but they also eat away at the healthy, essential base steel right alongside the rust. Relying on commercial acids means you are paying a premium to create a serious, hazardous environmental problem in your garage just to solve a basic physical one. The most effective way to permanently remove rust isn't sold in the hazardous materials aisle. It's sitting in a standard kitchen pantry. All you need is plain white vinegar and a jar of agricultural molasses. Instead of paying $20 or $30 for a jug of industrial acid, this combination costs under $3. These ordinary, accessible household staples completely bypass the need for specialized, dangerous chemicals. When you combine the natural acetic acid in white vinegar with the complex sugars in molasses, you trigger a highly specific chemical reaction. Called chelation, these molecules combine into a microscopic structure, acting like a tiny targeted claw. This claw searches for and binds exclusively to iron oxide, the rust. It physically pulls the rust away, leaving the healthy, bare steel completely untouched. You can actually see this happening in the real world. When you submerge the metal, watch the off-gassing. Those tiny bubbles are the physical proof of the rust molecules being stripped away. Chelation is a precise, intelligent chemical extraction. It completely avoids the collateral damage caused by industrial acids that destroy metals indiscriminately. To set up this extraction, mix 1 part molasses to 9 parts vinegar in a standard plastic tub. Drop your rusted tools into the dark liquid. Make sure they are fully submerged so no oxygen can reach the metal. Then you just walk away. Depending on how severe the oxidation is, you leave the bath alone for anywhere from a few days to a week. Time and natural chemistry do all the work for you, replacing hours of intense physical labor and the risk of toxic exposure. When you finally pull the tool out of the bath, you'll see the rust has completely lost its structural integrity. It turns into a loose sludge. It simply sloughs off. You don't need a heavy wire brush, and you don't need to fire up a sparking power tool. A standard white shop rag wipes it entirely clean. Underneath all of that grime is beautifully restored, gleaming bare metal. The frozen joints move perfectly, and the tool looks brand new. That fused block of trash was entirely salvageable all along, brought back to life by a $3 kitchen mixture. The companies selling expensive chemical rust removers are relying on you not knowing basic chemistry. When you understand how the physical world naturally operates, you can easily bypass expensive, dangerous consumer products. Share this method with someone who is about to throw away perfectly good gear, and keep those tools out of the landfill.